Hi guys, welcome to How and Travel. So I hope you guys are having a great day. So today I'm going to show you guys how you can remove your car air filter because I was getting a bad smell from my air vents. When I turned on my aircon, but I thought it's something to do with my AC or radiator, but it's a simple fix guys. My air filter was completely dark and it was completely black, so I replaced it to a completely new one. So it's very simple guys, you don't have to take it to a mechanic, you can do it yourself. So let me show you guys how to remove your air filter, cabin filter, and then replace it. So this is your glove box. This is your glove box. So just pop this open, and all you have to do is push these two to your left, to closer together. Yeah, simple as that. And it's gonna simply come out. Make sure that you have all your valuables taken out, right? Yeah, I'm gonna just drop this, right? And then let me show you guys where the air filter is. This is where your cabin filter is located, so you just need to pop this out. Simple as that. It's very simple guys. Yeah, it stays on a hook, simple hook like that, right? That's your cabin filter. Yeah, you can just it's so annoying to take it out. Yeah, let me use both my hands. Yeah, yes, so that is the cabin air filter, right? It says cabin air filter, right? So this you can change this like every service. Maybe if you're doing a service on maybe every 3 months, you can ask your mechanic to check the cabin air filter and change it. But this is a pretty new one. It's white in color, but my one was fully dark. It had so much rust on it, so that's why it was giving me the bad smell. But still, you see, this is only 1 month old. As you can see, it's trying to get it dark. See, you can see those dark colors on the white filter. So this is getting dark. So simple as that guys, to change your cabin filter. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys like it, and please give that subscribe, smash that subscribe button, and leave if you have any questions, you can leave it in the comment section below. And thank you for watching guys, and welcome.